Alright you guys, today we are diving into something absolutely insane. Affiliate marketing. Imagine this, you're chilling, maybe even sleeping, and bam, you're making money. That's not a dream, that's affiliate marketing, and it's one of the most powerful ways to earn cash online, especially as we head into 2025. Forget complicated schemes or things that take years to pay off. We're talking about a straightforward system where you promote products you genuinely like, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut. It's like being a super-powered salesperson, but the internet does most of the heavy lifting for you. This video is going to be your ultimate guide. No fluff, no boring lectures, just pure, actionable steps that anyone, and I mean anyone, can follow to start their affiliate marketing journey. We're going to break down everything from finding goldmine niches to getting floods of people to see your stuff. I'm talking about strategies that actually work, strategies that have helped people just like you, go from zero to generating serious income online. So if you've ever wondered how people make money while they're not actively working, this is it. This is the secret sauce. I'm Nkechi First, and I'm here to tell you that if you've got a phone or a laptop and a bit of hustle, you've got everything you need to get started. We're going to cover picking the right things to promote, signing up for the best programs, creating content that people actually want to see, and then getting that content in front of as many eyeballs as humanly possible. And the best part? We're going to make it super simple, so buckle up because your financial future might just change after watching this. Let's go! Okay, first things first, and this is probably the most important step, so listen up. You need to pick a niche. What's a niche? Think of it as your special corner of the internet, your topic, your expertise. You can't just promote everything under the sun. That's like trying to catch fish with a giant net in the entire ocean. You'll get tired and catch nothing. You need to focus. A profitable niche is one where people are actively looking for solutions and are willing to spend money on those solutions. Think about hobbies people are obsessed with, problems they desperately want to solve, or passions they pour money into. This could be anything from gaming headsets to eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, or even software for small businesses. The key is specificity and demand. Don't just pick sports, pick training equipment for marathon runners. See the difference? That focus is where the money is. Why is this so crucial? Because if you pick a niche you don't care about, or one where nobody's buying anything, you're setting yourself up for failure. And we don't do failure here. You need to be able to create content around this niche, talk about it, and genuinely recommend products. If you're passionate, or at least super interested in your niche, it'll show, and people will trust you. Imagine trying to sell skateboarding gear if you've never even stepped on a board. It's not gonna work. So, do your research. Look at what's trending, what people are searching for on Google, what communities are buzzing online. Are there products with good affiliate programs in this niche? Is there competition? A little competition is good. It means there's money to be made. Find that sweet spot, that gold mine, and you've laid the foundation for something huge. So, your mission for this first step is to brainstorm like crazy. Write down all your interests, hobbies, things you know a lot about, or things you're willing to learn a ton about. Then, start digging deeper. Are people spending money here? Are there affiliate programs available for products in these areas? For example, if you love pets, maybe your niche is organic dog food for sensitive stomachs or interactive cat toys for indoor cats. The more specific and passionate you are, the easier it will be to connect with an audience that's ready to buy. This isn't just a small step. This is the launchpad for your entire affiliate marketing empire. Get this right, and everything else becomes 10 times easier. Seriously, don't skip this. Boom! You've picked your niche, you're fired up, let's go! Now, where do you actually find these magical affiliate links that make you money? You need to join reputable affiliate programs or networks. Think of these like the giant marketplaces that connect you, the promoter, with companies that want their products sold. There are literally thousands of these out there, but not all of them are created equal. You want to find programs that are trustworthy, pay on time, and offer decent commission rates. Some big names you'll hear about are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, Commission Junction, also known as CJ Affiliate and Rakuten Advertising. These are like the super malls of affiliate products, offering everything from books and electronics to software and online courses. Finding the right program is key. If you're in a very specific niche, sometimes individual companies run their own in-house affiliate programs. So, if you love a particular brand of camera, go to their website and look for a link that says Affiliates, Partners, or Referral Program. It's often hidden in the footer, so scroll all the way down. When you find a program, look at their terms. What's the commission percentage? Is it a one-time payout or recurring? How long does the tracking cookie last? That's the little piece of code that tells them you sent the customer. You want programs that are fair and transparent. Don't just jump on the first one you see, shop around a bit, read reviews, see what other affiliates are saying. This is your business, so treat it like one. Signing up is usually pretty straightforward. You'll fill out an application, provide details about how you plan to promote their products, your website, social media, YouTube channel, and so on, and then wait for approval. Some programs approve instantly, others might take a few days. Once you're in, you'll get access to your unique affiliate links and often a dashboard where you can track your clicks and earnings. This is where it starts to get real, guys. You're officially in the game. Remember, the goal is to partner with companies whose products you genuinely believe in and that offer good value to your audience. Don't just chase the highest commission if the product is trash, because that will destroy your credibility faster than anything. Trust is everything. Alright team, this is where the magic really happens. You've got your niche, you've got your affiliate links, but how do you get people to click on them and buy? The answer is content. And not just any content, you need to create high-quality, valuable content that attracts your audience and genuinely helps them. Nobody, and I mean nobody, likes being spammed with a million links. People are smart. They can smell a desperate sales pitch from a mile away. Your content is your bridge to your audience. It's how you build trust, show your expertise, and subtly guide them towards the products that can solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Think about it. Why do you watch certain YouTubers or read specific blogs? Because they provide value. So what kind of content are we talking about? This could be anything. In-depth product reviews where you actually use the product and show its pros and cons. Honest comparison posts like product A versus product B, which one is actually better? Tutorial videos showing people how to use a product or achieve a certain result with it. How-to guides, top 10 lists, case studies, personal stories. The possibilities are endless. The key is to put your audience first. What are their pain points? What questions do they have? What information are they desperately searching for? Your content should be the answer. If you're in the fitness niche, maybe it's a video on 5 exercises to build bigger biceps using these resistance bands, and you link to the bands. If you're in the cooking niche, my secret to perfect sourdough bread, feet, my favorite stand mixer. You get the idea. Don't just slap an affiliate link at the end of a lazy paragraph. Weave it naturally into your content. If you're reviewing a camera, show footage shot on that camera. Talk about its features while you're using it. Your recommendation needs to feel authentic, like you're genuinely trying to help someone make a good decision, not just trying to make a quick buck. This means being honest, even if it means pointing out a flaw or two. That honesty builds massive trust. And guess what? When people trust you, they're way more likely to click your links and buy. So, invest time in creating amazing content. It's the engine of your affiliate marketing machine. Make it powerful, make it valuable, and make it something you would want to watch or read. You've created the most amazing, mind-blowing content ever. Congratulations! But what if nobody sees it? It's like throwing the world's best party and forgetting to send out invitations. You need traffic. Lots and lots of traffic. Traffic means eyeballs on your content, and more eyeballs mean more potential clicks on your affiliate links, which, you guessed it, means more money. So, how do we open the floodgates and get people flocking to your stuff? There are tons of ways, and we're going to cover some of the big ones. You don't need to do all of them at once, especially when you're starting, but understanding your options is key. First up, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. This sounds super technical, but it's basically making your content easy for search engines like Google or YouTube to find and show to people. This means using the right keywords, the words and phrases people are actually typing into search bars when they're looking for information related to your niche. If you're reviewing eco-friendly yoga mats, you want those words in your title, your description, and throughout your content. SEO is a long-term game, but it's incredibly powerful because it brings you organic, free traffic from people who are actively looking for what you offer. Think of it as planting a tree that will give you fruit for years to come. It takes time to grow, but the payoff is huge. But what if you want traffic now? That's where things like social media promotion and even paid advertising can come in. Share your amazing content across all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever your audience hangs out. engage with communities, join relevant groups, and provide value. Don't just spam your links, share your helpful blog post or video. For paid ads, platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads let you pay to put your content directly in front of a highly targeted audience. This can give you an instant boost in traffic, but it costs money, so you need to be smart about it and track your results carefully to make sure you're actually making more than you're spending. The goal is to find a mix of strategies that works for you and your niche. Start with one or two, master them, and then expand. Let's get those views. Alright, this is the final crucial piece of the puzzle. And it's one that so many people overlook, but not you guys. You're going to be smarter. You need to track your results and optimize your efforts. What does this even mean? It means looking at the data to see what's working, what's not working, and then making changes to do more of what works and less of what doesn't. Affiliate marketing isn't a set it and forget it thing if you want to achieve massive success. It's a set it, track it, tweak it, and then watch your earnings skyrocket kind of thing. Your affiliate dashboards, Google Analytics, YouTube Analytics, these are your best friends. They'll tell you everything. Think about it. If you're getting a ton of clicks on one particular affiliate link in a blog post but hardly any on another, that's valuable information. Maybe the first product is a better fit for your audience, or maybe the way you presented it was more compelling. Your analytics will show you which pieces of content are getting the most views, where your traffic is coming from, how long people are staying on your page, and most importantly, which links are converting into sales. Don't be afraid of the numbers. They're not there to scare you, they're there to guide you. If a particular YouTube video is driving a lot of affiliate sales, maybe you should make more videos like it, or promote that video even harder. This is how you make smart decisions. Optimization is all about continuous improvement. Maybe you test different call to action buttons. Maybe you try different headlines for your blog posts or different thumbnails for your YouTube videos. A small change can sometimes lead to a huge increase in conversions. For example, changing the color of a button or the wording of a link could literally double your clicks. It sounds crazy, but it happens. So, make it a habit to regularly check your stats. Look for patterns. What content formats are performing best? Which products are your audience loving? Which traffic sources are bringing in buyers? Then, double down on those winners and don't be afraid to cut things that just aren't performing. This constant cycle of tracking, analyzing, and optimizing is what separates the amateurs from the pros who are absolutely crushing it. And there you have it. The complete blueprint, the absolute secrets to making money online with affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond. We've covered everything from picking that perfect, profitable niche to joining the best affiliate programs, creating content that people actually love, driving insane amounts of traffic, and then tracking and optimizing your way to success. This isn't rocket science, you guys. This is a proven path, a system that, if you put in the work and follow these steps, can genuinely change your financial situation. The opportunity is absolutely massive, and it's waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Seriously. The biggest mistake you can make right now is to watch this video, get all excited, and then do absolutely nothing. Don't let that be you. I want you to take one thing from this video, just one step, and start implementing it today. Maybe it's brainstorming your niche or researching your first affiliate program. Whatever it is, take that first action. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your affiliate marketing empire starts with that first decision to go for it. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, now all you need is the action. I'm Nkechi First, and I truly believe that every single one of you watching this has the potential to succeed with affiliate marketing. If this video helped you, if you're feeling fired up, then smash that like button, seriously, punch it. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because I've got so much more insane value coming your way. If you have any questions, and I mean any, drop them in the comments below. I'll be down there answering as many as I can. Now go out there and start building. Let's get this money.